Let's continue now with our tool and rotated rectangle. The aim of rotated rectangle is to draw rectangular faces from 3 corners. So we are here, we have this tool, this blue tool, and we have to choose a point like this, and here you can find a segment, a line, and you can choose whether an axe, whether like you want. For example, I can choose a right axe here, and I have a tool again here that I can change with my touch right or left on my keyboard, and after you can move and create your rectangle. We don't use really this tool, but sometimes it can be useful, but it's not. Generally we use just simple rectangle, but it is to understand the principle. On your keyboard, when you touch on left or right, you can change this, left or right. And for example, you can choose in left, and after you choose another point, and after you can create your rectangle in the right direction, like this. So this is for a rotated rectangle.